By the 1960s, homemade instruments and smuggled Beatles records were sparking a movement underground, literally. Rehearsals happened in basements, bunkers, and abandoned buildings. Let's start with the Trailblazers. Mashina Vremeni, Time Machine. Formed in the late 60s, they blended blues rock with poetic lyrics. Founder Andrei Makarevich became a voice of cautious rebellion, subtle but powerful. Aquarium, led by the enigmatic Boris Grebenshchikov, Aquarium fused rock with mysticism and philosophical lyricism. They recorded their albums secretly, using home tape recorders. Kino, perhaps the most iconic, fronted by Viktor Tsoi. His voice captured the frustration of a generation. Songs like Grupa Krovi, Blood Type, became anthems of youthful resistance. Soviet rock was illegal. Bands couldn't just perform or record freely. They were labeled amateur ensembles and had to pass ideological reviews.